Yo, what is up, guys? I finally got my setup ready for Trade-of-8. I have 3 evals going on this side, and I have my live account on my right side. I'm going to be trading them side by side. I tried to get a replicanto thing or whatever, but I really did not like the UI. And with the fixed parameters that I trade, I think this is going to be good. Just playing with micros, so whatever trade I see, I can just switch over pretty quickly and get a trade going. You know what I mean? Today I only got one trade, and my live account was glitched, so I got locked out of trading. I still can't trade. If you look over here, I think I had it was this one. I had this. I'm pretty sure. I can't see now, but let's see. I don't even know what triggered, but I think it was this weekly loss limit was 0. So I got locked out of my live account. So I ended with a $7 loss. Can I even see what I did? What trade that I took for me to get that loss? Oh wait, it's on MNQ. I was short. I was short here. I think that was the trade. And then I was like, I tried to click it again, but didn't let me. But I was short here. So, and then I would have gotten stopped out here anyway. Yeah, because I took an ILM model. We took out previous week's high or something. It was previous week's high. We took that out, so I went short here. And would have gotten stopped out there. And then I was going to reattempted that same trade on my funded. I only had one, and I added 2 more. The same one on there, and this time it did work out. So I was playing around with the position sizing, but it worked out there. So just an update video. The lives should be happening soon, starting Monday hopefully, and I'm going to be trading both of these side by side with a $200 risk on each account. So on the days that I win, I'm going to be winning 200 times 2 is 400, or whatever the risk is, and it's going to be multiplied by 4. So let's say if it's 1 to 2, that's 400 times 4. It's going to be $1,600 on the day. And then half position on Mondays and Fridays. So I'm going to be risking $100 on those days. I'm still thinking I'm gonna set it to $250 on my live account, and then maybe I could even go to $300 on my evals. So that's what I'm thinking about right now. I went with $200 for today, or $250 for today on the evals. So I it was chopping around so much, so I sold it around here. Took all my contracts off, and I got a $353 win. So that's just sort of a little update that I have. So I'm still tweaking it. I think I'm gonna figure out what I want to do. I think I'm gonna leave my funded. I think I'm gonna leave my live at 250, 265, and with my funded, I think I'm gonna go up to 300. Right now, I've only set up the risk for this one, 74. So 250 is what I have here. 3 losing days for a week. I'm going to stop. Daily profit, so it's going to be 1 to 2. Might even turn that off because my reward, you never know. You just go along with it. I leave runners. I do a trailing stop. So that one's going to be adjustable. So weekly profit target is just 5 winning days. You know what I mean? So Yeah, it's 2,500 on a week. I think I'm good. For each account, it's 7,500 when I get to the live stage. So yeah, just wanted to make a little update. I've been doing like a lot of different like setups and layouts and doing all that. And this is, I think, what I like the most. I can easily manage. You know what I mean? I have the group trading on. Oh, now I do. I have the group trading on. So, I can like quickly like, make an order and because I was like, wait, what? Because I hit my daily wait, what did I do? Wait, why did it get rejected? I have no clue. What the? I have no clue why that rejected. Is market closed? No, it's not. What? That is so weird. Oh, because it has to be multiples of 3, right? I have 3. Oh, wait, yeah. Why did that get rejected? I have no clue why this is rejecting. But, yeah. So, I'm trying to figure this out right now. Wait, what? I can't, like, not think about it. Wait. Manage groups. 111. Let's see. So 3. So it should be multiples of 3. So why is it not working? And none of these have been hit right now. I haven't lost anything. Is it because I have 250 is my loss limit, 500 is my profit trigger? What? Like, why isn't the order being placed? Your maximum order quantity has been... What the... What is this? I have no clue. What is going on here? All evals, right? Why can't I place an order? Okay, I don't even know. I guess I'll figure that out. I've been, dragging this for too long. But yeah, that's the update. Expect lives starting Monday. I'll, just not have a live. If I'm like, I'm going home on Thursday. So if I just don't have a live, you just won't see a live, at 6:15, 6:30, 6:20. So yeah, that's that. I'll see you guys all on Monday. I also wanted to see how, all the recording stuff was working. So this will be a good test. If it gets posted, you'll know everything's worked. So yeah, see you guys Monday. Bye.